Hello and welcome to this presentation. In this short animation, we will be guiding you through and explaining how to fill out one of our faceplate worksheets. Although there are many different models of phones and different configurations of buttons, the general idea is all the same. This is a typical layout of a faceplate worksheet. On the right-hand side is a diagram of the faceplate to fit the phone model you have ordered. And on the left, the different areas of information needed by us to ensure it is printed correctly. The first section is titled Project Contact. This section relates to the reseller or distributor who has placed the order with Cetus. The second section is titled Property Contact. This, in turn, relates to the person with authority who can approve and sign off the faceplate once a proof from us has been returned to the customer. The third section, Color Selections, allows you to choose not only the color of the card the faceplate will be printed on, but also the texts, symbols, and logo needed. The fourth section deals with quantities and room numbers. Here, you can order the number of faceplates wanted and also how many of them need the room numbers printed, or if you just want the room box printed but left empty. The final section is button labeling. This refers to the function keys on your phone. Depending on the model of phone you have ordered, you will see the buttons labeled according to the amount needed. Numbers go from left to right, and you can add the text needed under your chosen icon, and also decide if you would like the text above or below the icon. Once you have filled out this form, just send it back with any logo and room numbers if needed for a speedy process to your order.